let's talk about grids. When you took the Fundamentals of Design class, there was talk of how to break your design into thirds or other dimensions. You can do that in Photoshop as well. Now we're going to turn on some grids here, so we'll go down to Show Grid. And we've got a division and then subdivisions of that, so the subdivisions are 4x4s, obviously. Now, if that works for you, great. Chances are it probably doesn't. So we're going to change the grids. Let's go into the Photoshop Preferences. And, oh, you know, I mentioned in an earlier movie that I would tell you where the preferences were in the Photoshop Windows side. You're going to find this same preferences thing in Windows down at the bottom of the Edit menu. Obviously, it's not here on the Mac side, but it is here in Preferences. So let's start off with General. And quite honestly, we just want to dive over in here to the grids, guides, and slices. Okay. And so I'm going to move this down a little bit. So you've got your grids. We can customize the color. We can customize the lines, dashed lines, and so forth. Dots. We'll leave it as is, though. Ooh, that's obnoxious. You could just click on the color chip over here and just click on a different color if you're really picky about that. But then to actually set up the guidelines here, this is a different animal here. So we've got a grid line every 1 inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We could change that to maybe every 2 inches. And we could change the subdivisions into 8. So that's one way to go. That's how you change your grid. And we'll take it from there.